If you don't know who I am, then maybe your best course would be to tread lightly.
The heart of a lion, the soul of a panther, the eye of a tiger, heralded for my candor. A bitch with my banter, writing my own rhymes, be the mantra. Old soul since a bitch been in Pampers. The speed of a cheetah when I'm reaching for that heater. Type to skin you with my cleaver, getting paint bombed by Peter. This hip hop elitist, do albums with no features. I beseech you not to try it with this two-legged creature. The hardest spitting this, carnivorous, that raw diggerness, that live nigga shit. Hot to it like African clawed frogs. Y'all niggas can draw straws, Miss Crawford draw swords. Have all them boys mauled. These animal instincts on Jurassic. Nothing but classics on my feet when I'm pumping my black fist. Neanderthal rapstress, keep my guard up like a mastiff on volcanoes when they quiet, but that motherfucker active.
Tread lightly.
Of a fox, cha-cha-cha, once they let that raging bull out the box. This elephant in the room ain't scared of no mice. Venom in these snake eyes, and I ain't talking pairs of dice. Libido of a cougar, my shooters is barracudas with them bazookas. Rugers, Leah stashed in the sewers, somewhere in Chattanooga. Couple bags of the Buddha, couple cases of Hatui, then it's straight back to Cuba. Say what's up to a sider, let her know she got a rider. If I could time travel, I'd have been standing right beside her. They shut my man Common down from speaking at the college. Nothing scarier than a bunch of Negro scholars when they gossip. They rather push our buttons till that shit get out of pocket. You wanna see an animal? Well, bitches, you got it. My shit is horoscopic, Sagittarius hybrid, half human, half beast. How the fuck you supposed to stop it?
Black people are outrageous. They are more like animals. They never know how to act, always causing problems.
Heart of a lion, soul of a panther.
What's wrong with you? You niggas are crazy.
Tread lightly. If you don't know who I am, then maybe your best course would be to tread lightly.
To those who do not know what horror means.